Hello friends, welcome in this Sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you that how to create an app in which on button click an app will open in Sketchware. So at first I am creating an app, button click app, naming it, and here is the view. Now I am setting a button here and then going to component and creating a new component, intent I. Now I'm setting the button text open YouTube and setting the text size 50 sp and setting the layout gravity center. Now on the button 1 on click set here intent, set action, set data, and then start activity, and then toast intent I set action view, set data, you have to write in this way. So you have to write in this way: Android app :com.google.android.youtube to open YouTube, and then start activity and toast opening YouTube. Now I am running the app. Just wait a while. Just wait as the app installing. Here you can see the app is installed. Now I am opening the app. Now I am tapping on the app. Here you see my YouTube is opened successfully. If you want to see, here you see. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and see our videos. Thank you.